my dear friends. I am your Deepak. I welcome back to world's fastest human calculating system, that is Vedic mathematics. In this session, I am going to explain you how to construct the tables. This video I am making exclusive for school students who face very difficult while constructing the tables. Okay. So now I am going to explain you how to construct the tables from 12 to 100. I strictly recommend the students to learn tables from 0 to 20. If you know at least from 0 to 9, you can construct any tables from 12 to 100. Okay. So let us begin the course. Now I will explain you how to construct the table of 12. Kindly observe. I am constructing table of 12. I know the table of 1. 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3, 1 fours are 4, 1 fives are 5, 1 six are 6, 1 sevens are 7, 1 eights are 8, 1 nines are 9 and 1 tens are 10. Okay. And what is the end digit of 12? 2, right? So I will construct the table of 2. 2 twos, 4, 2 3, 6, 2 fours, 8, 2 5, 10, 2 6 12s, 2 sevens 14, 2 8 16, 2 nines is 18 and 2 tens is 20. Now I will construct the table of 12. Kindly observe. What is this? 12. 12 ones is 12. What is this? 24. 12 twos is what? 24. What is this? 36. 12 threes are what? 36. This is what? 48. 12 fours is what? 48. Now you observe here. This one I have to add with this 5. 5 plus 1 is what? 6. Okay. 0 you write as it is. 12 fives is what? 60. Add this 1 to 6, it will become 7. Write 2. Okay. 12 6 is what? 72. Add this 1 to this 7, it will become 8. 12 7 is what? 84. Add this 1 to this 8, it will become 9. Okay. Write 6 as it is. 12 8 is what? 96. Add 1 to this 9, it will become 10. Write 8 as it is. 12 9 is 108. Add 2 to this, it will become 12 and write 0 as it is. See, this is 120. 12 tens is what? 120. Even I don't know the table of 12, I can construct the table of 12 like this. Okay. Let me go for another few more tables. Okay, you will understand better. Now I will go for table of 13. Kindly observe now. Construct the table of 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Construct the table of 3. 3 ones, 3 twos, 3 threes, 3 fours, 3 fives, 3 6, 3 7, 3 8s, 3 9s and 3 10s. Now I will construct the table of 13. Write 13 as it is. Write 26 as it is. Write 39 as it is. Now there is a 2 digit here. Add the digit of your left hand side to this 4. Okay. So 4 plus 1 become what? 5. Write 2 as it is. 5 plus 1 is 6. Write this 5 as it is. This 1 you add with 6, it will become 7. Write 8 as it is. Add 2 to 7, it will become 9. Write 1 as it is. Add 2 to 8, it will become 10. Write this 4 as it is. Add 2 to this 9, it will become 11. Write this 7 as it is. Add 3 to 10, it will become 13 and write 0 as it is. Now you see 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 13 threes are 39, 13 fours are 52, 13 fives are 65, 13 sixes are 78, 13 sevens are 91, 13 eights are 104, 13 nines is 117, 13 tens are 130. Khel khatam, natak band. Okay. So hope you have understood with the table of 13. Likewise you can construct any tables, my dear friends. Okay. Let us go further. Now I am going to construct table of 19. See, construct the table of 1 and construct the table of 9. Okay. Now I am going to construct the table of 19. 19, write as it is. Add this 1 to 2, it will become 3. Write the end digit as it is. Add 3 and 2, it is 5. Write the end digit as it is. Right, add these two. 4 plus 3 is 7. Write the end digit as it is. 5 plus 4 is 9 and write the end digit as it is. 6 plus 5 is 11. Write the end digit as it is. 6 plus 7 is 13. Write the end digit as it is. 8 plus 7 is 15. Write the end digit as it is. 8 plus 9 is what? 17. Write the end digit as it is. And 10 plus 9 is 19. Write the end digit as it is. This is how I can construct the table of 19. Kindly observe again. 19 ones is 19, 19 twos is 38, 19 threes is 57, 19 fours is 76, 19 fives is 95, 19 six is 114, 19 sevens is 133, 19 eights is 152, 19 nines is 171, and 19 tens is 190. See, even if I don't know the table of 19, I can construct the table of 19 with the help of table of 1 and table of 9. So I strictly recommend the students to learn at least table from 1 to 9. Okay. Now we will go for higher digit number table. So like this you can do the table, construct the table from 11 to 99 or 100 very easily. Now I will going to construct the table of 36. First I will construct the table of 3. Okay, 3 1s is 3, 3 2s is 6, 3 3 is 9. Similarly I will construct the table of 3. And I will construct the table of 6. 6 1s is 6, 6 2s is 12, 6 3s is 18. Like that I will construct the table of 6. Now I am going to construct table of 36. Kindly observe here. Write 36. Now you observe there is 2 digit. Add the left digit to this. 6 plus 1 is what? 7. Write 2 as it is. 9 plus 1 is what? 10. Write 8 as it is. 12 plus 2 is what? 14. Write 4 as it is. 15 plus 3 is what? 18. Write 0 as it is. 18 plus 3 is what? 21. Write 6 as it is. 21 plus 4 is 25. Write 2 as it is. 24 plus 4 is 28. Write 8 as it is. 27 plus 5. What is 27 plus 5? 32. Write 4 as it is. And 30 plus 6 is 36. And write your 0 as it is. See how I constructed the table of 36. I don't know, definitely I don't know the table of 36, but I can construct the table of 36 with this technique. Okay, kindly observe again. 36 ones is 36, 36 twos is 72, 36 threes is 108, 36 fours is 144, 36 fives is 180, 36 sixes is 216, 36 sevens is 252, 36 eights is 288, 36 nines is 324, and 36 tens is 360. See, this is how you can construct the table of 36 as well. Further, now I am going to construct table of 57. 100% I don't know the table of 57, but still I will construct the table of 57 with this technique. See, first of all I have constructed the table of 5. Here I have constructed the table of 7. Now I will apply the method. So far I have explained you. Write 57 as it is. Okay, 10 plus 1 is 11. Write your 4 as it is. 15 plus 2 is 17. Write the end digit as it is. 20 plus 2 is 22. Write the end digit as it is. 25 plus 3 is 28. Write the end digit as it is. 30 plus 4 is 34. Write your end digit as it is. 35 plus 4 is 39. Write the end digit as it is. 40 plus 5 is 45. Write the end digit as it is. 45 plus 6 is 51. Write the end digit as it is. 50 plus 7 is 57. Write the end digit as it is. See how I have constructed the table of 57 even though I don't know how to multiply, how to do tables. Okay, so this is how I can construct the table of 57. Now the last number I will take in this method, how to construct the table of 99 without knowing the table of 99. Here I have constructed the table of 9. Here also I have constructed the table of 9. Now I apply the method I have explained you. What is this? 99. Okay. 18 plus 1, 19. Write the end digit as it is. 27 plus 2, 29. Write the end digit as it is. 36 plus 3, 39. Write the end digit as it is. 45 plus 4, 49. Write the end digit as it is. 54 plus 5, 59. Write the end digit as it is. 63 plus 6, 69. Write the end digit as it is. 72 plus 7, 79. Write the end digit as it is. 81 plus 8, 89. Write your end digit as it is. 90 plus 9, 99. Write the end digit as it is. See how I have constructed the table of 99 without knowing or without any by adding the table of 99. Hope you have understood with the how to construct the table from 1 to 99. Please, I recommend everyone to learn table from 1 to 9. Okay. Further, if you have any doubts, kindly contact through my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number, I will repeat, 9742331968. See, without knowing any tables, I can construct from 11 to 99 if I know the table from 1 to 9. In my next video, I am going to explain another method, okay, how to do the tables, how to construct the tables. Thank you.